Shubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Chief Electoral Officer Jong Kamikalia Dr. BDR Tiwari mendagasngi ulakhat penlong ye gajing kai football happening artali ki kanhun ka election 11 bat ka press 11 kumshi benta ban kentui ki samla bakineshim benta ban late tap vote haka khat khandai tarik yayong arjar arpusau ka badai ki election MP Lok Sabha haka nigasngi uba DP Wahlang ubadai Chief Secretary Kejala ulalong kum ukongsan haka jingdon lang bat DGP Kejala ULR Bishnoi Hagani ke jing elekai ke press 11 kala penlim no ya ke election 11 da shiko lanat uba DP Wahlang ulaong ba ke jing elekai football kalong ke Ïasyriem bat ke election haka ba haka football udan u referee haka election part udan utiwari uban pet bat Pynïaid ulaong ru haka jing Pynïaid utiwari kadon ke model code of conduct bat haka football kadon ka an na kabenta ke jing elekai Uba Wahlang ulaong bangi hap ban pentikna baki election kan long ka bakhut bat ka balait lut bat kum juru ka football kan long ka balait lut bat jai jai ha ka jing kai football ka don ka jing maham na u referee ha ka election part ka don ka jing maham na u chief electoral officer ka jing ai rat card ka don ha ka jing kai bat kum juru ka don ha ka election lada u kertong umlong uba ibit ban penyeng da ka ba penlong ni ka jing kai barok ngin ken mau bantip yaki anjung ka jing kai dak bay kai ha ka jing long hok bat ban walam ya ka election ka balait lut ulaong utiwari ulaong bala penlong ya kini ka jing kai football namar bakam don dak wei pat ka lenti ka bakham bha ban ya ka football nak banta ban kring yaki samla ha ka ban let have vote ha kini ka election MP ka bamenta
Election 11 consists of 18 players. We have Banavi Maulong, Tosanbha Marwan, Jeffrey Nongrum, David Khatpuri, Borsig Nongtri, and Kenneth Haba. Suchen, Arsenius Saukme, Aldrich Vansvet, Ivan Lalu, Longklar, Balajit Marbanyang, Vitamin Kongstia, Basan Borbiang El Nonglai,
Let this election to reach up to the young voters, to youth, and we have found in no other way is better than football. At grassroots level, every level, school level, colleges level, there are electoral literacy clubs, youth clubs, football clubs, and number of youth are being associated. Even who are not even become voter at the grassroots level, our young friends, they are also following and they are having fan follower for the football. So now our election sweep campaign we are associating in one way through football to reach up to the young voters, where especially in the Lok Sabha elections we have seen lot of apathy, urban apathy, youth apathy. So as suggested by the team members, we found election may be a tool to reach and to convey the message of democracy up to our young voters who are the future of our democracy. So this football for the election sweep campaign of this Lok Sabha election 2024 with this motto, taking youth and democracy together. So this is a mean to bring youth and democracy together and to strengthen the roots of democracy in a state where the grassroots institutions are testimony of the tradition of democracy up to the grassroots level.
It is highly appreciated to spread the message of democracy. We should all come forward and vote heavily to send a strong message across India that we are second to none as far as participation in democracy is concerned. This is wonderful initiative. Football is very popular here. By organizing a football friendly match, we are sending strong signals across the communities that administration is taking all initiative to strengthen the community outreach programs. But sometimes, as pointed out by Mr. Tiwari, the youth are not coming forward with enthusiasm to take part in elections, and they are more reluctant for voter ID. Rather, they are more happily going for the Instagram and other ID. So they should come forward and take part in democracy. All the points, initiatives taken by the administrations in the Meghalaya's have been already pointed out. I am sure that the elections will be very free, fair and peaceful, and we are committed to ensure that. With these words, once again, congratulations to both the teams to have a lovely day.
Of the youths to ensure that they are aware, they are engaged in the process of elections, and also to spread the awareness and ensure that fellow citizens come out to vote on the 19th of April 2024. As you are aware, the voting percentage in 2019 elections for Shillong Parliamentary Constituency was around 65% only, and for Parliamentary Constituency of Tura it was about 81%. So we need to be more active this side, that is in the Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, so that more voters come and vote on the 19th. And this is one of the exercise that we are trying to engage so that people become more aware. And I request all of you to spread this news around that it is important to vote as mandated by Election Commission. Vote for sure. It's interesting that we are starting with this football match today because the rules of the game in both election and football are very similar. In football, you have the referee. In election, you have Mr. Tiwari. Both of them are going to conduct the match and the election process effectively, I'm sure. And in Tiwari, we have the model code of conduct. In the referee, we have the rules of the game. They are all very similar. We have to ensure free, fair, peaceful elections. We have to ensure also free, fair and peaceful football match. You have in the football match warning by the referee. The CEO of the election also can issue warnings to the political parties and the candidates. You have a yellow card which is given to the referee. Mr. Tiwari can call them to his office and issue them a greater warning like a yellow card. Red card is given in the match. Red card is seldom given in an election, but it is given sometimes, but not by Mr. Tiwari. The red card is given by the High Court when the candidate is disqualified. So it's very, very similar, football and elections. And I'm sure that by engaging in this match, you'll all remember to carry forward the spirit of the game, that is to play it fairly, to play it peacefully, and to ensure inducement-free elections. Like we have in the elections, we are all very, very concerned to ensure assured minimum facilities at the polling station, so that we have proper electricity, proper water, proper furniture. Like this football match, the same thing is happening here. We have proper furniture, we have proper water, we have electricity supply, all the comforts of football match, we have to extend it to the polling station. I'm sure that under the leadership of Mr. Tiwari, the Chief Electoral Officer, I'm sure that all that will be executed properly. And I'll end by telling you one incident which happened yesterday. Like in a football match, you are not supposed to give any inducement to the opposition. Given in elections the same.
So many congratulations to Press 11 team for winning this friendly match. Let the team also come.
First of all, 3 cheers for the CEO 11, Hima.